Hello students. Today we are going to start map skill book. Two maps we are going to do. So kindly open your map skill book. First map which we are going to do, that is map 8 on page number 17, that is world distribution of volcanoes. And the second map which we are going to do, that is map 21 on page number 43, that is empire of Alauddin Khilji from 1296 to 1316 AD. So one map is empire of Alauddin Khilji from AD 1296 to 1316, and second map is of world distribution of volcanoes. So students, kindly open your map skill book. Hello students, now open page number 17 for your volcanoes map. Okay, so now first I'm starting with your South America. So this western side of South America is totally covered with your volcanoes. Okay, your Colombia, okay, Ecuador, Peru, these are the places. This is whole is Chile. Okay, here is Peru, here is Ecuador and Colombia. This whole is covered with your active volcanoes. Red color is showing the active volcanoes. Do you know what are active volcanoes? Active volcanoes are those volcanoes which have been erupted in the recent past. And dormant volcanoes are those volcanoes which have erupted in the historical period, but right now they are inactive. Okay, right now they have not been erupted, they are inactive for a very long period of time. That is your dormant volcano. So red dot is showing your active volcano, black dot is showing your dormant volcano. Red active, black dormant. Now come to, this is your Tropic of Cancer which is passing. Okay, above your Tropic of Cancer here is generally your United States of America. Here are two active volcanoes. Okay, then here comes in this side, here is Canada and here is your Alaska. So here lies your three active volcanoes. One is in the Gulf of Alaska, this one. Done. Now Hawaii Island. Here is Hawaii Island. Two active volcanoes. One just above the equator, active volcano. And here, that is your Central America part. Here also lies your four active volcanoes. Here are very small countries like Costa Rica, El Salvador, Nicaragua. So these are the countries which are there. Here is Mexico. Now come above. This is your Hudson Bay here. Nearby Hudson Bay, one dormant volcano is there. Okay, dormant volcano. So first let us complete the active one. Now this is the North Atlantic Ocean. Here are three active volcanoes in the ocean. And if I see nearby these places where your Europe and South Africa borderline is there, there are four active volcanoes. One active volcano is in Verde Island. Here are your basically active volcanoes in Africa. Above your equator. Here is your Democratic Republic of Congo, Kenya, Uganda, okay, your Central African Republic, Sudan, Chad, these are the countries over here. But here the volcanoes where there is, that is Democratic Republic of Congo, that is Congo, South Sudan, Ethiopia, Uganda, and Kenya. Here is your Oman, near Oman. Here is one active volcano. This is your Mediterranean Sea. Here are three active volcanoes. Then comes to Bay of Bengal. From Bay of Bengal, covering your Bangladesh, Thailand, okay, Vietnam, okay. Then it goes to this China part, Taiwan, Philippine Sea is there. This is Japan, it is covering. And here near Sea of Okhotsk. The spelling is Okhotsk. Okhotsk. So there is a Sea of Okhotsk where are these many active volcanoes. This is your Bering Sea where these many active volcanoes are there. Japan, China. This is your Thailand, Vietnam, Laos, Philippines. I hope you have done the active volcanoes. Now start with the black dot with the dormant volcanoes. In Japan, one is. In Bay of Bengal, two are there. Here. Here basically in this place, here is your Kazakhstan, okay, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan. So here are the dormant volcanoes. One is here in the sea also, Atlantic Ocean. These are also in Atlantic Ocean nearby your South Africa. Here is also one in your Nigeria. Then four are there dormant volcanoes in your United States of America. Then two are above, one is in Canada, another one is in Alaska. These two are in Alaska. Now one dormant volcano is in Greenland, one is near Baffin Bay, and this one is in Canada. So these were your, and one is in your Indian Ocean also, near your Madagascar. This is your Madagascar. So here is one dormant volcano and two active volcanoes. One is your below the equator, below Tropic of Cancer, three are there. So I hope you have done this map. Now come to map number 43, Empire of Alauddin Khilji. First let me tell you some points about the Alauddin Khilji. Listen it very carefully. Khilji dynasty was founded by Jalaluddin Khilji, okay, and Alauddin Khilji was the greatest ruler of your Khilji dynasty. His empire started from 1526, means 1296 to 1316. Alauddin Khilji empire started from 1296 to 1316. He was first Muslim ruler who turned down to Deccan. He sent his general name was Malik Kafur, to Deccan. And Malik Kafur, he was successful in conquering your Gujarat, your Rajasthan, okay, Deogiri, Virangal, Dwara Samudra, and Madurai. These were the places conquered by Malik Kafur. He was his general. Delhi Sultanate came to an end when Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi in 1526 AD. Now first we are going to do the route which Malik Kafur followed in conquering the Deccan. First Delhi, market, then below that Agra. Delhi, then below that Agra. Below that, Ranthambore, it is in Rajasthan. Ranthambore. Then Malwa, above your Tropic of Cancer, Malwa. Then it takes a U-turn from here, Narmada River. It takes a U-turn. Deogiri, Berar, Deogiri, Berar, Varangal. From Varangal, again it takes U-turn. Telangana, Dwara Samudra, and Madurai. Mark these places. First, Delhi, Agra, Ranthambore. These three places mark. Then above your Tropic of Cancer, Malwa is there. Then take a U-turn from Narmada River. Deogiri, Berar, Varangal. Deogiri, Berar, Varangal. From Varangal again take U-turn. Telangana, Dwara Samudra, and last is Madurai. These were the paths followed by Malik Kafur during his Deccan expedition. And the 4 Deccan cities which conquered by Alauddin Khilji were Deogiri, Varangal, Dwara Samudra, and Madurai. If I talk about North, Punjab, Lahore, mark Punjab, Lahore, Kannauj, Gwalior in Madhya Pradesh, Banaras in UP, and Patna in Bihar. These were the places conquered in the north. If I talk about eastern side, Bengal conquered. Here, west side, Sindh conquered. So the green part you can see, na? The green part show you the Khilji Empire. The green part shows you the Khilji Empire. Which were the places he conquered. Okay. First you can outline the map. This outer one, this green one. Then you can start marking. And always do the map work with the help of a pencil. Okay. Punjab, Lahore, Kannauj, Gwalior. This is above your Tropic of Cancer, Bundelkhand. Banaras, Patna. Here is Bengal. Here is Mambar. In the west side, Sindh. So these were the places conquered by your Alauddin Khilji. Do the map in the map skill book. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.